So in today's video, I'm going to talk about Loox Reviews and the amazing special offer that they have at the moment. And I'm also going to give some bonuses on top. So if you've been thinking about having a review app on your Shopify website, this is the best Loox Reviews offer on the internet. Well, I believe. I don't think anyone will be able to match this offer that I'm going to give you. So I'm going to talk about Loox Reviews, all the offer, everything like that. But before I get into that, my name's Clayton Bates. I'm one of Australia's only registered and authenticated Shopify experts. I've generated hundreds of millions of dollars on Shopify for myself and my clients. And I've got like 150 five-star reviews, 40 plus business and finalists and awards and stuff like that, blah, blah, blah. Heaps of different things. So I know what I'm talking about. Loox Reviews has helped generate tens of thousands of dollars for my clients, probably well over $100,000 now. So I'm just going to walk you through the offer right now and then some stuff about Loox Reviews. So Loox Reviews here is an app on the Shopify App Store. So basically, if you want to have reviews on your website, in my opinion, this is the best review app that you can use. Basically, they normally have a 7-day free trial. And then normally links like mine in the comments, the first link will give you a 30-day free trial. But in January 2025, they are giving you a 60-day free trial instead of the normal 30-day or 7-day free trial. And on top of that, I'm going to give some bonuses. So if you're watching this and it's not January, you'll still get the bonuses that I'm going to give you, and you'll still get a 30-day free trial. So bonus number one that I'm going to give you is if you get stuck installing this into your website, I will get myself or my team to install it for you completely free of charge. And I'll also send you a free video review of your website going over some tips and suggestions where you can improve to help your website convert more visitors into paying customers. All you have to do to get that is click the second link and fill out the form, and I'll do that for you. So first link will get you the special free trial. The second link will give you that bonus offer that I was talking about. And even if you click my link and you see 7-day free trial, when you click install here, it will actually give you the 30-day or 60-day free trial, depending on when you download it. Now, with that all being said, let's just go over a couple of things about Loox Reviews and what it actually does and stuff like that. So this is like a widget for your website, so it can display reviews and different things like that. Loox Reviews is they really care about the aesthetic sort of thing. They like video reviews and photo reviews and stuff like that to give someone a really good feeling when they're on your product page. And this is one of the reasons I believe Loox Reviews is really good at helping convert visitors into customers sort of thing. Because once you start to build a couple of photo reviews, especially in like fashion and different things like that, it's going to build a lot more trust. A lot of the review apps are more focused on like looking like Amazon or looking more text-based sort of thing. And Loox is more about photos and videos and stuff like that. What I've noticed is once you download this app, if you're making a few $1,000s a month, it will pay for itself, because what will happen is that people will come to your website, see reviews, trust your product more, buy more of your product. And then the really cool thing about Loox Reviews is that it will automatically email the customer. So you can actually set up X amount of days after you ship it to get an email. And the really, really cool thing that they do now is you can actually set up this email to go out X amount of days for your country and then a different amount of days for other countries. So let's just say you're in Australia like me. I can set it up to everyone in Australia gets the email to leave a review after 7 days. Everyone international gets to the email to leave a review after 14 days, which is really, really cool. They didn't used to do that. And since they changed over that removed quite a lot of little hiccups and stuff like that. Because you can imagine if you ship a lot of stuff to your country, and then some people buy it overseas, you're sort of delaying that email to get to people. So splitting it this way is really cool how they did that. The other thing too, you can go to their website and check a few things out here. So this is like some of the widgets and stuff. So a widget is like a section block on your website, by the way. So I just showed you this product review one. The other really cool one, so this one, so the stars and stuff, you can do it like that. This star rating goes on your product page, so you can actually have the stars here. Really cool thing as well, you can actually change the stars. So it doesn't have to be stars. It can be, see how it's a coffee mug here? So if you sell coffee or mugs, you can actually put your little icon there, which makes your website, that's little pause as well, by the way, which it makes your website really branded and really look cool. One of the things I've noticed is the more branded you try to make your website look, the better the conversions on most niches and stuff like that. So even like a little thing like this, if your logo is dark blue, sometimes it's really good to have dark blue star colors because it looks really branded to your website. So I really like that one. Where's the other one? Is it this one? No. Here it is. This one is really, really cool. It's not that old, this one. Snippet widget. So basically, if you can see on your product page, what it actually does here, it puts an example review up near your add to cart button. So instead of someone having to click the stars to go down to the reviews or scroll down to reviews, it actually has an example review here. You can see one there. And they can scroll through a couple. So it really helps being near the add to cart button. It's like another layer of like, hey, our product's cool. You know what I mean? So it really helps the conversions there. I've tested this on a few different stores now, and it's been working extremely well. So I really love that feature. But there's heaps of other really cool widgets you can do. Sometimes I use this widget here. So a lot of the websites that we build, we'll put reviews on the homepage, maybe in the middle of the page. I've made another video about tips and suggestions for your website and stuff. But what we like to do is build a lot of trust in the middle of the homepage. So sometimes we'll put like a manual section block with some reviews. But if people have already gathered a lot of reviews through Loox Reviews, we might use a widget like this, which looks really nice on the homepage, depending on what theme you use and stuff like that. The good thing about a lot of their widgets is you can customize them to look like your website as well. You can refer a friend, so you can actually do these referral stuff where if you refer your friend, they get a discount, you get a discount, different stuff like that. You can have like a little floating thing on the side. So see how it's got get $10. So if you refer someone, you get $10, they get $10, something like that. It can also have like a little floating widget like that, where if they click on it, it opens all your reviews and stuff. The other thing I forgot to say is to encourage people to leave photo reviews and video reviews, you can actually set up the email that automatically goes to them to give them a discount if they leave a photo review. So maybe the first couple of hundred ones you send out, you can give them a really good deal to leave a photo review. Because imagine your best-selling product it's one thing to have like 20 reviews or more than 20 reviews. That looks really cool, right? But imagine having 10 or 20 photo reviews and then put something on top of that. Imagine having like 5 video reviews. So you have like 5 video reviews, 10, 20 photo reviews, 10, 20 written reviews. That's going to build a lot of trust and stuff. Some of our clients are well over like 1,000 reviews and stuff like that. And when you start to get to the point where you have 1,000 reviews, it really helps the conversion. But I know a lot of people watching this, they might be starting out and stuff like that. So getting to 1,000 probably seems like really far out crazy thing to get to. But if you can try to get like 5 reviews on your products and stuff like that, it's going to really help as well. Going back to the pricing structure here a little bit as well, this beginner plan starts at $10 USD a month, so $9.99. And if you want to do the referral thing, it's just an extra $5. This is for 100 monthly review requests. So basically, one of the things about why the price is this price is because a lot of things on Shopify, when it has to email someone, it can get a bit expensive. So that's why this app charges what it does. And you can use up to 10 widgets. You can have discounts for photo reviews, review importer. This is more for like drop shipping and stuff like that. I don't really work with drop shippers, but if you want to import reviews from like AliExpress and stuff to your website, you can using this app as well. Got a few different stuff here. One of the things about this plan, once you get to 500 orders, you have to go to this one. But normally by the time you're getting 500 orders, $35 USD a month isn't really that big of an expense. And every one of my clients that are on this $35 one, it's paying for itself, because you think about it, if you get the email to leave a review and you had a really good experience, especially for stuff where people like food and coffee and things like that, where people got to keep coming back to your website, if you had a really good experience, you go to leave a review, you're back on the website, and it actually tracks how much money people spend after they left a review. So for example, if you're paying $35, it might say this app made $1,000 extra this month because of that review request, which is really cool. So that's how it's made tens of thousands, probably well over $100,000 for my clients and stuff like that. And one of the reasons I really like Loox Reviews. So I think that's about everything, sort of thing. If there's anything I've left out or you want to talk about, let me know in the comments and I'll reply to every single comment. Just remember, the first link in the description gets you the 60-day free trial in January, 30-day free trial the rest of the year. And the second link is that special offer that I have. So basically, if you get stuck, I'll install it all for you for free, and I'll send you a free video review of your website going over tips and suggestions. I've actually done 2,000 of them. Hundreds and hundreds, probably thousands of people love that video review that I do. So probably the best offer on the internet for Loox Reviews. Let me know in the comments. Click those links. And until next time, have a good one. Bye.